Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is 24 by 7 shift is always best. Ladies and gentlemen, most of the times we have this misconception in our mind that 24 by 7 shift is bad. Most of the times students don't want to do 24 by 7 shift. And this is a very bad scenario, ladies and gentlemen. According to my personal experience, I will say that 24 by 7 shift is always better than a 9 to 5 7 schedule with Saturday Sunday fix off. Now you will be surprised to listen to this, but this is the fact of life, ladies and gentlemen. The real practical fact of life. 24 by 7 shift is always better than a 9 to 5 schedule with Saturday Sunday fix off. I am saying this on behalf of my own personal experience. Ladies and gentlemen, year 2010, I was working as network support engineer and optical fiber communication engineer at Delhi International Airport Terminal 3. I was working for my parent company Wipro, and Wipro was handling the project of Delhi International Airport Terminal 3. It was a 24 by 7 schedule, morning shift, afternoon shift, late night shift. We used to follow these shifts, and the duty roster got prepared on every 31st of the previous month for the upcoming month. And whatever duties we had to do, it was already pre-decided by the managers. Most of the times when I was working with Delhi International Airport Terminal 3, I had to look after my personal life issues. I went for my brother's marriage. I got holiday for 7 days. Then, after a few months, there was one more religious ceremony at my hometown. Again, I got holiday for 7 days. After a few months, I was getting married. It was my marriage ceremony. I got holiday for 7 days, and when the holiday was about to expire, my teammates called me and they said, "You continue your holiday for 7 more days." I said, "Thank you for this, but how is it possible?" They said that you continue, you enjoy your life, you have 14 days of holiday, and we will talk later when you come back. Ladies and gentlemen, how it was possible that I got as many holidays as I wanted? And same thing happened with my teammates also. Every time they desired any holiday, they got it. They got it 7 days, 8 days, 15 days, 16 days, according to their needs and requirements. Now, this is an absolute honesty, ladies and gentlemen, that we never desired holiday without any reason. Whenever we desired holidays, there was a genuine reason behind it. As I said, in my case, it was my own marriage ceremony. In my friend's case, there were some other reasons, their personal life reasons. But the point here is, many times while working in Wipro, I got good holidays. Now, how is it possible? It was possible because when I was on holiday, my rest of the teammates were looking after my task along with their own specific task. They were looking after my task also along with their own specific task, and organization never felt that because of my absence, the organization is feeling any kind of setback. Listen to this, ladies and gentlemen. I was on holiday for 14 days, 15 days, but in my absence, my teammates were handling my task also along with their own task, and because of this, the organization Wipro never felt that because of my absence, the organization is facing any setback. So my absence was not a big issue for the organization, and in any organization, whenever an employee takes holiday, his seat is vacant for that period for which he is taking holiday. And the major fear of the organization is, if this person is taking holiday for 7 days, 6 days, 8 days, 18 days, for this period, who will look after his responsibilities? What will happen if this candidate takes large number of holidays? If you are working in a 9 to 5 schedule, you will never get any holiday because there is no shift system. Nobody can work in place of you because everyone is bound to work in that 9 to 5 shift. And within that 9 to 5 period, people have their own specific tasks. And we know that corporate life is so hectic and so busy that people don't have time to even talk to other people. How do you think other people can help you in your professional task in a 9 to 5 schedule? Not possible at all. But in case of shift system, in case of 24/7 shift, people are always willing to help you. Why people are always willing to help you? Because they also want that you should help them when they are in need. And in 24/7 shift, it is 100% possible. And it was possible in my case, ladies and gentlemen, whenever I required a holiday. I worked for Wipro Delhi International Airport Terminal 3 for 2 years from 2010 to 2012. And during these 2 years, I took holidays many times. Many times. Now, as I said, it was not for enjoyment. There was something very crucial at my home because of which I had to take these holidays. But the point that I want to discuss here is, I got holidays very easy. And it was only because I was working 24/7 schedule and my friends always helped me whenever I was out of job. They handled their responsibilities along with my responsibilities, and in case my friends required any kind of holiday, they enjoyed according to their own choice, and when they were absent, me and my other team members were taking care of that person's responsibility along with our own responsibility. This is known as professional bonding, ladies and gentlemen. Whenever you are working in a 24/7 schedule with a team, this kind of team management we need to do. And believe me, ladies and gentlemen, if the teammates are having such kind of crucial bonding, the manager will never ask that if this person leaves for 7 days or 8 days, who will take care of my task? Rest of the members of the team are always willing to work hard. They are always willing to work for extra hours to see that the organization's task is finished, and the absence of one particular employee is not a big issue for the company. And it happens in most of the corporate sector, ladies and gentlemen. People help their friends, people help each other in this way. So in a 24/7 schedule, it is very easy to manage your personal life along with your professional life, which is absolutely not possible in a 9 to 5 schedule. I'm not saying that you don't follow 9 to 5 schedule. As far as our biological clock is concerned, human body has been created in such a way that if we sleep in night, that is beneficial. If we remain awake at night, that is not beneficial at all. But what to do in a 24/7 work atmosphere if the corporate culture is like this? You have to manage anyhow. That's why it is very important that please don't be afraid of 24/7 shift. Please don't be afraid. Especially I am talking about professional college students who are participating in campus placement drives regularly. When the HR says that my industry follows a 24/7 schedule, there will be night shift and afternoon shift and early morning shift. So if you are willing to work in my company, only then you participate in this campus placement drive. Otherwise you leave, and most of the people leave. Ladies and gentlemen, you are leaving a great opportunity. 24/7 shift will give you more liberty in your personal life as compared to a 9 to 5 schedule. Therefore, I request all the young engineers, all the young professionals of other department, who are about to join corporate sector, please don't think that 24 by 7 shift, night shift is bad in any way. It is a huge benefit. It is a huge benefit. You can manage your personal life along with your professional life only in a 24 by 7 atmosphere, not in a 9 to 5 schedule, not possible at all. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.